The JATAZA 10.26-inch car screen offers a seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto experience, providing a convenient and cable-free connection for drivers. Equipped with a 4K front camera and 1080p backup camera, this car screen captures crystal-clear video footage, even in low-light conditions, ensuring safety and security on the road. The device's loop recording and G-sensor features make it easy to save important video clips, automatically locking footage in the event of a sudden movement or collision. An optical sensor lens allows the front camera to adjust its brightness based on ambient light, offering a clear and stable view regardless of lighting conditions. With wireless AirPlay and Android Cast, users can enjoy screen mirroring on a high-definition 9-inch touchscreen, providing entertainment options for passengers during trips. Installation is straightforward and does not require any vehicle modifications, making it a versatile option that fits almost all cars with a simple plug-and-play setup.